There are many reasons to use a logo with a transparent backdrop, from placing it on your presentation to creating print designs. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove the background from a logo in a few simple steps with PhotoWorks, an AI-powered image editor. Run the software and open your logo by clicking the Open Photo button. Then, go to the Tools tab and pick the Change Background tool. First, adjust the size of the green object brush and paint over the logo to separate it from the background. Then, select the background brush and mark the backdrop with a few brush strokes. The software will erase it automatically. Then, hit Next. Set the background opacity to 0 to preview the result. Use the red brush to erase any pieces of the background left, or the green brush to restore the parts of the object that are missing. If you're satisfied with the result, click Next. Hit the Save with Transparent Background button to export your logo for further use. That's it. Now you know how to remove the white background from your logo. Download PhotoWorks and give your pictures a transparent background with ease.